Monarch butterfly is the most easily recognizable butterfly native to North America. The monarch has two sets of wings spanning 3 to 4 inches that are deep orange with black borders and veins, white spots along the edges, and a pale orange underside. Male monarchs have two black spots in the center of their hind wings that are scent glands to attract female monarchs who have thicker wing veins. Caterpillars have yellow, black, and white stripes and can grow to 2 inches long before metamorphosis. They have a set of antennae-like tentacles on each end, and their chrysalis, where it undergoes metamorphosis into the winged adult butterfly, is a beautiful seafoam green edged with tiny yellow spots. The monarch butterfly life cycle. Eggs. Monarchs lay their eggs on milkweed, their only caterpillar host plant. It takes 3 to 5 days for eggs to hatch. Caterpillar. After hatching and consuming their empty egg case, monarch caterpillars feed exclusively on milkweed. Pupa. The caterpillars grow and molt several times over 2 weeks and then form a chrysalis in which they undergo metamorphosis. Young butterfly and adult butterfly. After another 2 weeks within the chrysalis, adult butterflies emerge. Most adults live for a few weeks. The last generation that hatches in late summer undertakes fall migration and can live up to 8 months. Monarchs are found in North America wherever suitable habitat exists. Populations fall into two categories, eastern and western, separated by the Rocky Mountains. One of few migratory insects, they travel great distances between summer and winter habitats. In spring, they leave Mexico and migrate north. During summer, they travel as far north as southern Canada, and in the fall, the eastern population follows the reverse path back to the cool, high mountains of central Mexico. The smaller western population lives in the canyons of riparian areas of the west, southwest, inland California, and inland northwest states up to British Columbia. Instead of making the long journey to Mexico, they migrate to coastal areas in southern California. Monarchs also live in Hawaii, Puerto Rico, some Caribbean islands, and New Zealand. They may have been blown there in storms, naturally dispersed by island hopping, or introduced by humans. These populations are not part of annual North American migrations. The monarch migration is one of the greatest phenomena in the natural world. Monarchs know the correct direction even if they never made the journey. An internal compass points them in the right direction. A single monarch can travel hundreds or even thousands of miles. The annual monarch life cycle and migration begins at the overwintering grounds in Mexico for eastern population and the central to southern California coastal region for western population. Around March, overwintering monarchs begin their journey north and mature and mate. Females begin searching for milkweed plants to lay eggs. After egg laying, the adult butterflies die, and northward migration is continued by their offspring. It takes 3 to 5 generations to repopulate the US and southern Canada until the final generation of the year hatches and returns to overwintering grounds. The caterpillar diet is exclusively milkweed leaves and wildflowers. Monarchs are immune to the glycoside toxins produced by milkweed. Caterpillars store it, making them taste bad, deterring predators. These toxins remain in their system after metamorphosis, protecting them as adult butterflies as well. Adult monarchs rely on milkweed to complete their life cycle and feed on nectar from a wide range of blooming native plants. 11 varieties of milkweed are native to Pennsylvania. The most common species in our region are milkweed, butterfly weed, and swamp milkweed.